Welcome to Bite or Fly, guys. Different name, same channel.
Fun content.
And really
bright colors.
This will wake you up. If nothing else has woken you up today, these colors will. So thank you for coming back to the channel. A big thank you to all our followers out there and people that manage to take the time to watch our videos. We really appreciate it, especially those from different countries that are reading this in subtitles down below. Thank you. So today we are going to do video review
of these weird babies.
Ramen or ramen noodles. Now this ramen or ramen noodle, I used to always thought they were ramen noodles.
It's ramen.
And you know, ramen is...
This is not a TV show, sitcom. There's something about ramen.
This could easily be a sitcom. We both have the same hair.
Listen, that was not planned out, and neither was the bright colors.
No,
anyway.
It wasn't. It really wasn't. The ramen noodle that I'm going to try is the spicy buffalo with ranch wings. Okay, this is upside down. Not upside down, but inside
backwards.
out. Upside down, inside out, backwards. When we shoot the video right, you'll see it. We're going to taste this and see if it's any good. What
Mine is lemon pepper wings. I don't know how good this is going to be.
Now everyone knows how to make these, so we're just going to put the hot water in and taste them and tell you how they are and see if it's a bite.
Or let this one fly.
Promise this is what we're dealing with today. Lemon pepper wings. Oh, look at all that salt. And then we have the spicy buffalo with ranch. Ooh, can't wait to taste this. So let's put the hot water in, taste them, and let them know if you should bite or fly. All right, so our noodles are done. Right away, mine smells because mine is the spicy buffalo wings. I smell buffalo in the air.
With ranch.
Yeah, with ranch. Ooh, look at this, guys. I haven't mixed it or anything.
Mix it up, mix it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake
It's
it up.
the food of champions that students all around the world are eating.
I don't know about this flavor, but...
I'm not sure about this flavor because this is, I think, a limited time. And so...
Limited edition.
Look, after it's been mixed around, you can see if it looks edible or not. We're going to try it so you don't have to. Let's see if it's a bite or a fly. But first, let's take a look at yours.
Oh, okay.
It's just sitting there.
There we go. Gonna do a little mixy. Mine just looks like normal ramen. Ramen. Everybody loves ramen.
Everyone does.
And it looks...
Is there a smell to it?
Boom.
I don't know if you guys want to know. So it's 300. You guys know everything about ramen noodles. I'm not going to tell you. 380 calories. A crap load of sodium. You don't even want to know how much sodium is in this. It's to kill a horse.
All right, you go first.
Let me smell yours.
It smells like...
Yours smells boring. Smell mine.
Holy that is ranch all day.
Yeah.
All day.
I did bring napkins here, but they're gone. Oh well.
Oh well, get messy. Are we gonna taste at the same time?
Let's do it savage. Yes. Of course.
All right, let's do it.
So, all right. Keep in mind, we've never tasted this before. Wait for me.
Oh my god.
And let's see. All right,
Take
let's
a
go.
good bite. All right.
Party.
All right.
Ching ching.
Chin chin. Bueno. It's hot. What's it like? What's it like? What's it like?
Buffalo. Mushy noodles. A bit spicy. A little bit spicy. I don't know if I taste wings in there. I taste some ranch, buffalo. And that's it. It's not terrible. For someone who likes a little bit of little kick in their soups, I would recommend it.
I'm going in for a second bite. I don't know.
Yeah, this one.
It's too hot to taste.
Oh, it's really hot.
It's lemony, not peppery.
Taste mine.
Oh god.
It's dead. Napkins would have been helpful.
Wow, that is buffalo ranch all day. That is closer to what they're selling. This just tastes like a lemony ramen noodle. So I would, listen, for a different one, I'd bite this one and let this one fly. You want to taste it?
Sure.
After tasting that, it is gonna taste like nothing.
Lemony.
Yeah.
A bit, maybe even a bit buttery. There's no butter in it, but it tastes a little buttery to me. But all in all, it tastes like ramen noodles with flavoring in it. So if you guys like ramen noodles, I would check out the spicy buffalo with ranch. I said, okay, wings too. Yeah, I didn't taste wings. And the best part, no bones in your teeth. So guys, thanks for watching. Bite or fly.
Bite.
Bite.
Fly.
Fly. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Take care.